Today, I'm going to share with you 3 books that helped me level up my trading, and I'm going to tell you why you need to read them. And even if you're not interested in leveling up your trading like I have, I still believe that these are books that you should read, because not only will they help to give clarity and organize everything in your trading, I believe they will also help you identify the things that may have been holding you back. Now, the first book I'm going to talk about is The Complete Turtle Trader, written by Michael Covell. The book basically starts off with the rise to fame and success of Richard Dennis in the 1980s. Richard Dennis was a highly successful trader at the time, with a net worth of about $200 million US. And he decided to carry out a social experiment with a couple of amateurs from all walks of life. He decided to train them and nurture them to become traders. And what I love most about this book was how it went in depth into the transformation of these people from knowing nothing about trading to being successful traders. And it just goes to show that trading is a skill that can be learned. Now, some of my biggest takeaways from this book were the philosophies. The author really went in depth about the way the traders were expected to think about themselves and the markets, how they were expected to manage their emotions, and how they were expected to always know what they were going to do regardless of what the market did. The book also went in depth into showing the different systems that traders used to trade. And they traded a simple breakout strategy, but it was amazing to see how they managed their risk and how they always scaled into positions. It was a beautiful read, and it really helped me refine my own beliefs about the market. Now, the second book we're going to talk about is titled Super Trader, written by Van Taar. And why I love this book is because it goes into everything about trading. It starts off with working on yourself, then it builds into working out a business plan for your trading. From there, he moves into working out a trading system, and then he moves into understanding the importance of position sizing and how position sizing is what affects the overall outcome of your trading performance. And then finally, he moves into optimizing your trading performance. And you see, the beauty about this book is I went into the book and realized that there was so much more I could still learn. There were so many details about myself, especially about yourself, that I could still improve on, just because of the fact that he had interviewed hundreds of traders before putting that book together. And so I hope you find this book helpful like I did. Now, the final book we're going to talk about today was written by Mark Douglas, and it's titled Trading in the Zone. Now, a lot of people have read this book, but if you haven't, I strongly recommend that you pick it up. He goes into detail about the fact that we are not trading the markets, we are trading our beliefs about the market. And so if we are trading our beliefs about the market, what kinds of beliefs should we have about the market? So he goes into much detail about that. He talks about how an edge is nothing more than a high probability of one thing happening over another. He also talks about how every moment in the market is unique. He also talks about how there's a random distribution between wins and losses for every given set of variables that define an edge, and many more things that you could take away from that book. So I hope you pick it up, and I hope it transforms your life the way it did mine. If you are still watching up to this point, I want to say a big thank you. I hope you found those 3 recommendations helpful. And if you think that you would enjoy this kind of content going forward, please hit the subscribe button. And if there's any other books that you think that would also be super helpful to other traders out there, please share them in the comment sections as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.